Good morning, students. Yesterday we solved that one-dimensional one-dimensional wave equation by using separation of variable method. Then we got the solution as what is the one-dimensional wave equation? Dou square u by dou t square equal to c square dou square u by dou x square. Then that in boundary conditions u of 0 t equal to 0, u of L t equal to 0. That means the string is fixed at two endpoints. Then next we have considered the boundary condition, that means initial shape of the curve, that is u of x0 equal to f of x, dou u by dou t at t equal to 0 is phi of x. Then we got three cases, then we solved that. In that we have taken as the most consistent solution we have considered as c1 cos lambda x plus c2 sin lambda x into c3 cos c lambda t plus c4 sin c lambda t. Then next because why we have taken this as consistent? Because our one dimensional wave equation is periodic, then trigonometric functions are periodic, then we have to consider this equation. Now, but that time we didn't consider the boundary condition. Now we will consider all the boundary conditions for boundary conditions. Then we will solve this equation by using Fourier series method. Then first condition is u of 0 t equal to 0. Give it as x equal to 0. x0 means what you get? x0 means cos 0. Cos 0 is 1, sin 0 0. Then which term it will become? c1 into c3 cos c lambda t plus c4 sin c lambda t equal to 0. That means in u of xt, which term we are giving as 0? X equal to 0 we are giving. Then cos 0 1 and sin 0 0. Now these two terms are equal means which one will become 0? c1 equal to 0. Now substitute that. Then what is our u of xt? U of xt is becoming as c1 became 0. Then what is left? c2 sin lambda x into c3 cos c lambda t plus c4 sin c lambda t. Okay. Once again, now we have considered only one first boundary condition. Now second boundary condition we will consider. Which one is that? U of Lt equal to 0. Give that value. Instead of x, what we have to give? X as L we should give it as. Then what we get it as? C2. This also we can simplify it. Once again we simplify that. C2, C3, some constant we give. Then what it will become? Sin lambda x into b cos c lambda t plus c sin c lambda t. What we have given assumption? B is another constant c2, c3. Again c as another constant c2, c4. Because otherwise so many constants c2, c3, again c4. For that we have just combined the constants. U of Lt equal to 0. Now u of Lt 0 means x equal to L we should give. X equal to L. Then what we get? Sin lambda L into b cos c lambda t plus c sin c lambda t equal to 0. Then which term will become 0? Sin lambda L equal to 0. But this is same as sin n pi only, no? 0. It is true for every n. Then sin lambda L equal to sin n pi, or lambda L equal to what we can write? N pi. But what is lambda then? Lambda L is n pi, or lambda equal to what we got it as? N pi by L. Lambda is n pi by L. It is true for every n. That means what we got it as u of xt? We got u of xt as, we have to substitute. Instead of lambda, what we should substitute? N pi by L. Then substitute it. Sin n pi by L x into b cos c lambda t, b cos c lambda, instead of lambda you should substitute n pi by L t plus c sin c sin c lambda t. Lambda is again n pi by L t. This is true for every n. Then we will give that first nth term means what we can write this as un of xt. Then here nth term as bn cn. It is true for every n. This is lambda equal to n pi by L. It is true for n equal to 1, n equal to 2, like that till infinity. This is our nth term. Then what we get u of xt? We have to add all that cases, we have to add it. That means we have to get it as sigma n equal to 1 to infinity sin n pi by x by L into bn cos n pi c by Lt plus cn sin n pi c by Lt. Same thing only. That c I have taken that side, that's all only. U of xt we will get it. Now again we have considered only two boundary conditions. Two more boundary conditions are there. Now we will consider the next boundary condition. What is our next boundary condition? U of x0 equal to f of x. That means you have to give t equal to 0. Then what we get? F of x equal to sigma n equal to 1 to infinity sin n pi x by L. Now you have to give 0. Cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. Sin 0, 0. Then what it will exist? Only bn. This represents Fourier sine series. Fourier sine series. Then by using Fourier sine series formula, what we get it as bn? Bn equal to 2 by L integral 0 to L f of x sin n pi x by L dx. This is from half range. This represents half range Fourier sine series. By using that formula, we get bn equal to 2 by L integral 0 to L f of x sin n pi x by L. Now also we have one more term is left. What is that one? Dou u by dou t at t equal to 0, that what we have taken as phi of x, that is our initial velocity. Then u of xt. U of xt, what is u of xt? Sigma n equal to 1 to infinity sin n pi x by L into bn cos n pi c by Lt plus cn sin n pi c by Lt. Now we have to give that. Find out dou u by dou t. Dou u by dou t, only which variable it will we have to derivate? We have to find the partial derivative with respect to t alone. Then bn constant, take it out. This is like a cos 2 theta, means 2 cos theta, 2 into minus sin theta. Then 2 you have to take it now. Instead of that constant here, what is that? N pi c by L. Then minus sin n pi c by Lt plus cn n pi c by L cos n pi c by Lt. Okay. Then again dou u by dou t, at which term it is that? Initial velocity means at t equal to 0. Dou u by dou t at t equal to 0, that is phi of x. T equal to 0 we have to give. T 0. Then t 0 means sin 0 term it has become 0. Cos 0 terms it is becoming 1. Then we get sigma n equal to 1 to infinity sin n pi x by L into cn n pi c by L we'll get. Again this represents half range Fourier sine series itself. Then by using Fourier sine series, half range Fourier sine series formula, what we get? What is our constant? Cn n pi c by L equal to 2 by L integral 0 to L sin, what is our function? Phi of x. Phi of x sin n pi x by L dx. Or cn equal to what we can write? L will be cancelled. Then 2 by n pi c integral 0 to L phi of x sin n pi x by L dx. Now we got the solution. What we got the solution as? You should remember the solution because problems also will be asked, derivation also will be asked. Then u of xt, what we got it as? U of xt, sigma n equal to 1 to infinity, n equal to 1 to infinity sin n pi x by L into Bn into what we got? Bn into cos n pi c by L, cos n pi c by L t plus Cn sin n pi c by L t, where Bn equal to 2 by L 0 to L f of x sin n pi x by L dx, and Cn equal to, what is Cn? 2 by n pi c integral 0 to L phi of x sin n pi x by L dx. This is our solution. Okay, it's very easy only, it's not so difficult. I think you can follow that. You can find the derivative also. Okay, thank you.